Mastering irregular verbs in the passive voice. Hello there, language enthusiasts. Today, we are going to dive deep into the fascinating world of English language learning. Specifically, we're going to explore the use of irregular verbs in passive voice sentences. This may sound challenging, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Before we go further, it's crucial to grasp the concept of the passive voice. In English, we use the passive voice to show that the subject of the sentence is acted upon by the verb. For example, in the sentence, "The cake was eaten by John," the cake is the subject but it's receiving the action. Hence the sentence is in passive voice. Next, let's understand irregular verbs. These are verbs that do not follow the regular conjugation patterns in the past tense or past participle. For instance, the verb go becomes went in the past tense, not goed. Likewise, see becomes saw and not seed. Here comes the crux of our discussion. To form a passive voice sentence with irregular verbs, we need to use the past participle form of the irregular verb. For instance, the book was read by Mary, where read is the past participle form of the irregular verb read. Let's explore some more examples. The song was sung by the choir, not the song was singed by the choir. The food has been eaten, not the food has been eaten. The letter was written by James, not the letter was written by James. Remember, the formula is subject plus be verb, appropriate tense, plus past participle, to construct a passive voice sentence. Now, let's try to form some passive voice sentences together using irregular verbs. 1. The letter blank write by Sarah. 2. The trophy blank win by our team. 3. The game blank play by the children. 4. The apple blank eat by the boy. 5. The task blank complete by Jack. That's it for today. We hope you found this video helpful in understanding how to use irregular verbs in passive voice sentences. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to create more sentences on your own using what you've learned today. Until next time, keep practicing, and happy learning.